Imagine waking up every morning to the sound of ocean waves, stepping outside your tiny home, and watching the sunrise over a beautiful beach. What makes this even more incredible is that this home is not parked permanently in one place. It can travel with you wherever the road takes you. In this image, we can see a unique three-wheeled camper vehicle parked right beside a stunning coastline. At first glance, it looks like a combination of a vintage scooter, a compact RV, and a tiny house on wheels. The design immediately grabs attention because it manages to pack the comfort of a small home into an extremely compact footprint. The exterior has a retro-inspired appearance with a cream-colored body and elegant brown accent stripes running along the sides. The camper has rounded edges, giving it a classic 1970s look that feels both nostalgic and stylish. The front section features a motorcycle-like wheel configuration, while the rear section expands into a spacious camper shell. This unusual layout allows the vehicle to remain compact while still providing enough interior room for living and sleeping. One of the most striking features is the over-cab sleeping compartment. The upper front section extends above the driver's area, creating additional interior space without increasing the vehicle's overall length. This design is commonly found in larger motorhomes, but seeing it on such a small camper is fascinating. It allows the owner to maximize every inch of available space. Looking at the side door, we get a glimpse inside the camper. Despite its compact size, the interior appears surprisingly warm and inviting. The extensive use of wood paneling creates a cozy cabin atmosphere. Instead of feeling cramped, the space looks organized and functional. The wooden finish gives the interior a handcrafted and premium appearance that many modern campers struggle to achieve. Just inside the doorway, we can see a comfortable seating area. During the daytime, this space can function as a dining area, workspace, or relaxation zone. At night, many compact campers use convertible furniture systems, allowing benches and tables to transform into additional sleeping spaces. This flexibility is one of the secrets behind successful tiny home design. Further inside, there appears to be a small kitchenette. Even though space is limited, a well-designed camper can include basic cooking facilities such as a compact stove, storage shelves, a sink, and food preparation surfaces. For travelers who enjoy extended adventures, having a small kitchen means greater independence and reduced travel costs because meals can be prepared on the road instead of relying on restaurants. Storage is another critical aspect of any mobile living space. Every corner of a camper like this is usually designed with storage in mind. Cabinets above seating areas, compartments beneath benches, and shelves integrated into walls help maximize usable space. Efficient storage solutions allow travelers to carry clothing, cooking equipment, tools, camping supplies, and personal belongings without creating clutter. The circular window in the door adds character to the camper's design. Beyond aesthetics, windows are essential in small spaces because they create a sense of openness and bring in natural light. Bright interiors feel larger and more comfortable. Natural ventilation is equally important, especially during warm weather when travelers spend extended periods inside the camper. The awning mounted above the door is another practical feature. On sunny days, it can be extended to create a shaded outdoor living area. This effectively increases the usable living space beyond the camper walls. Travelers can place chairs and a table underneath, creating a comfortable outdoor lounge. With ocean views, mountain scenery, or forest surroundings depending on their location. The beach setting in this image perfectly demonstrates the appeal of mobile living. Instead of being tied to one home address, owners of compact campers can explore countless destinations. One week they may be parked beside a tropical beach, the next week near a mountain range, and later deep in a forest campground. This freedom is one of the biggest attractions of the camper lifestyle. Financially, tiny campers can be an attractive alternative to traditional travel. Hotel costs can quickly add up during long trips. With a camper, accommodation travels with you. Although there are expenses such as fuel, maintenance, insurance, and campground fees, many travelers find that mobile living provides excellent value, especially during extended adventures. The compact size also offers advantages when compared to large RVs. Smaller vehicles are generally easier to park, easier to maneuver, and often more fuel efficient. They can access locations that would be difficult for larger motorhomes. Narrow roads, coastal routes, and crowded urban areas become much more manageable when traveling in a compact camper. Another interesting aspect is the growing popularity of minimalist living. Many people are discovering that happiness does not necessarily require large houses filled with possessions. Tiny homes and compact campers encourage owners to focus on experiences rather than material accumulation. The limited space naturally encourages organization, simplicity, and thoughtful use of belongings. The interior design visible in this camper reflects that philosophy. Every piece of furniture appears purposeful. There is no wasted space. The seating area, sleeping quarters, storage compartments, and kitchen facilities work together to create a highly efficient living environment. This balance between comfort and practicality is what makes successful tiny homes so appealing. For outdoor enthusiasts, a camper like this serves as a perfect base camp. Whether someone enjoys surfing, fishing, hiking, photography, or simply relaxing by the ocean, having a mobile home nearby means immediate access to nature. There is no need to pack and unpack luggage repeatedly or search for accommodations close to outdoor destinations. The vintage styling adds another layer of charm. Modern RVs often focus purely on function, but this camper combines functionality with personality. The rounded body shape, classic color scheme, and wood-accented interior create a timeless aesthetic that stands out wherever it travels. It feels less like a manufactured vehicle and more like a handcrafted adventure machine. Sustainability is another reason why compact living continues to gain popularity. Smaller homes generally consume fewer resources. They require less energy for heating and cooling, encourage reduced consumption, and often support more environmentally conscious lifestyles. While no vehicle is entirely impact-free, a compact camper can represent a more efficient approach to travel compared to larger recreational vehicles. The emotional appeal of this lifestyle may be even stronger than the practical benefits. There is something inspiring about the idea of carrying your home wherever you go. Every destination becomes your backyard. Every scenic overlook becomes a temporary front porch. Every beach, forest, desert, or mountain range becomes part of your living experience. Looking at this camper parked beside the ocean, it is easy to understand why so many people dream about life on the road. The combination of freedom, adventure, simplicity, and comfort creates a powerful vision of modern travel. This tiny three-wheeled camper proves that you do not need a massive motorhome to explore the world. With smart design, efficient use of space, and a sense of adventure, even a compact vehicle can provide everything necessary for unforgettable journeys. Whether used for weekend escapes, extended road trips, or even full-time mobile living, this remarkable camper demonstrates how innovative design can transform a small space into a functional and inviting home. It represents more than transportation. It represents freedom, independence, and the possibility of waking up to a new view whenever you choose. As the waves roll onto the shore behind it and the sunlight reflects off its vintage exterior, this tiny home on wheels captures the imagination and reminds us that sometimes the biggest adventures come in the smallest packages.